I'm going to cast that, and I need to cast that. So oh dear. Just dent the edges there, just so it holds that sound good. So that's the mould done. Turn it up a bit now. There seemed to be a pretty good pour. So let's take it in and have a look. Don't mess about. We will see. That's the shape I wanted. What I did underneath the flask, I put a half-inch of sand. Let the mat, even that safety, whatever they call it. So I'm happy with that. And I'm bloody happy with that, even though it's still a bit hot. I want to do another ganji. Said it would happen one day. Today's the day.
I told you I'm getting the taxi home before we come back again.
Non-alcoholic beer.
Right, what did you say?
Drinking my non-alcoholic beer.
For people who don't know him, this is my other son. We call him Twaz, short for Mick. Twaz Mick.
Oh yeah, just go on YouTube, yeah, Playing Crazy for You. Yeah, subscribe.
You can. That channel's older than you.
And have a look at the way I used to be, not the way I am.
I'd like to
They've been work, they think it's real, they think quite out. There was something wrong with you, wasn't there? Yeah. There's something wrong with you. Some of them was.
Do it again, I mean, no, I can probably do it really.
The one within the city was the only. Probably would if I didn't move.
Oh no,
It's just seen him running. Running to the van. Oh my god, the train stopped. Stopped. Oh.
yeah, the fucking bricks come on, I go.
Running for their life.
He was under the bridge giving it. But that driver's still on the set.
Yeah.
So we got the gun. Number 81. Two back labels. Another Batman. The cone. A tap. Robert S. Nurden. Another Superman. A tap. And another ganja. And we'll take it from there.